Modules versus packages. In this lecture, we'll discuss modules, importing them, the search path, reloading them, and the dir function. We'll also talk about packages and then compare them with modules. You know modules. They hold statements and definitions and help us reuse code when we need it. Let's say we have a modules directory. In this, we have a math directory. In this, the even-odd module, and in this, the check function. This asks the user to input a number, then declares even or odd accordingly. Even-odd is in math, which is in modules, which is where our installation of Python is. We can import this in the interpreter with the dot syntax and a fully qualified name that tells us where it is. PyCache has been created inside math. There are many ways to import from a module. This one imports even-odd under the name of EO. It is an alias for even-odd. We access the check function from even-odd using the dot operator, enter the value 7, and it prints out odd as 7 is odd. We can also import the check function directly, so we don't have to call it using the dot notation. And we can also import everything from even-odd. This imports all functions in it, but not submodules. Whenever we import a module, the interpreter looks for it in three places: the current directory, the Python path environment variable, and the directory of installation. Importing a module, initializing statements execute only on the first import. These are the contents of evenodd.py. Restart the shell, import evenodd. It prints importing evenodd. Do it again. This time, nothing prints out. But if we want these statements to run on subsequent imports as well, we can reload the module using the importlib module. As you can see, reloading it does print out importing evenodd. A built-in function, dir, tells us the available attributes for an object. With evenodd, we have these attributes available yet. Packages are directories, possibly holding sub-packages and modules. The Python package index has many useful packages, but we can also create our own. We import them this way, or under an alias. But you cannot import a function with the dot operator. For that, you need to import as import from. Packages also have the init.py file. This can be empty, but it must exist for it to be called a package. And when you import everything from a package, you only import the immediate modules, but not the sub-packages listed under it. So what makes modules different from packages? A module is a file holding Python code. A package is a directory holding sub-packages and modules. Modules don't hold the init.py file, but packages do. With modules, importing everything imports everything. But with packages, it only imports the immediate modules. And that's how modules are different from packages.